I want you to be proud of yourself and believe in yourself. I want you to make impossible to possible. I want you agree to disagree. I want you to prove them they were wrong. I want you to prove yourself you are right. I want you to work on yourself for 1 month. I want you to shut out the world, shut out the all distractions. I want you to give up everything that's keeping you from your dream. If you have a dream, don't just sit there and make something happen. Sometimes you just have to move, do something, make a call, reach out to someone, Google something, learn something new, write down what you need to do in order to make a better life for yourself, to do those things. I want you to take a stand today to say no more. I will no longer accept this for my life. I want you to take action today. I want you to write your goals down and get someone to hold you accountable. I want you to hold yourself accountable. I want you to give up everything that's keeping you from your dream, to say no to all negative influences. I want you to pick up a book instead of a drink. I want you to do hard work than you think you did yesterday. I want you to stand up as a man or as a strong woman, a bigger and better life for yourself. I want you to make something happen, to take action. This week, drop something and do something. I want you to walk more than you talk. I want you to spend time alone. I want you to say no with pride. No to bad habits. No to negative people, to wrongdoing. I want you to speak your truth. I want you to dream bigger and bigger than you think for your life. I want you to walk your own path. Wherever they lead, whatever they say, work on you, work on your dream. If you do or you don't, it's up to you. Ask yourself, am I happy with my life exactly as it's now? Am I happy staying where I am? If you don't like to answer, get to work. Work on yourself. More discipline, higher standard, more self-respect, more forward, less backward, more positive, less negative. I want you to do action for yourself today, this week, and this month. I want you